Hello everyone, I am Mridula. My seminar topic is Hyperloop Transportation Systems and I am doing this under Professor Mahalakshmi ma'am. Today I am going to be introducing you all to a revolutionary piece of technology called as the Hyperloop. Right now our travelers are traveling at inefficient speeds because of high traffic and inefficient travel methods. Everyone wants to travel to the destination as quickly as possible and with the least amount of money involved. And right now I'm going to explain how we can do this better, travel faster using this Hyperloop. So this concept of Hyperloop was first proposed by Elon Musk in 2013, who as we all know is the founder of Tesla Motors and SpaceX. Elon Musk claims that this transit system can achieve a top speed of 1220 kilometers per hour. As we can see, this is the illustration of a Hyperloop pod at a station. Hyperloop propels a pod-like vehicle through a very low pressure or near vacuum tube at more than airline speed. It is both fast and inexpensive for people and goods. These are some of the illustrations of Hyperloop. So we have our conventional modes of transportation as railways, roadways, airways and waterways. These are either slow or expensive or a combination of both. In order to tackle this, we have the fifth mode of transportation, which is fast, efficient and inexpensive. The main objective of this is quick and safe transportation between cities. This high-speed transit would have some of the characteristics such as immunity to weather, collision-free, twice the speed of plane, low power consumption and energy storage for 24-hour operations. The name Hyperloop was chosen because it would go in a loop. Let us see some of the papers which give us some more details about the Hyperloop. So in this, they have developed a prototype of the working of the Hyperloop. The test bench will consist of the track with solenoids and a pod with permanent magnets. They also have a control system which is used to control the whole system. So this is the 3D printed pod and the track implementation. The inverter simulation and solenoid simulation were performed and the coils produced the force that was expected. In this paper, they mainly focus on the advantages and disadvantages of the Hyperloop transportation system. The technical parameters of the tube and the capsules were also examined. So let's see the design part of the Hyperloop. We need the Hyperloop to be very energy efficient. So technically we have four major components: capsule, tube, propulsion and route. We have the capsules that carry passengers traveling at speeds over 700 miles per hour. As we can see, this is the illustration of a capsule. The capsules are supported via air bearings that operate using a compressed air reservoir and aerodynamic lift. The tubes are not completely free of air, but they have very low pressure. The compressor fan inside the capsule will compress the air and redirect the air to the back of the capsule for additional propulsion. The capsules are propelled by the electromagnetic motor. The tubes will have solar panels which is used for generating the required power. The tubes are made of a new material called as vibranium. It is both stronger than steel and lighter than aluminium. For the propulsion purpose, we have the stator which is stationary and the rotor which is moving parts. These two help in the linear acceleration of the pods. The main route has been proposed between Los Angeles and San Francisco, as you can see in the left side diagram, and the right side diagram shows the route between Pune and Mumbai which has been proposed. This reduces the travel time from 180 minutes to 20 minutes. Let us see some of the applications of the Hyperloop. High-speed transportation of people and goods is the main application. A Hyperloop requires 30 minutes to cover a distance of 561 kilometers. An aircraft passengers requires 1 hour 15 minutes, a high-speed train 2 hours 38 minutes, and a car needs 5 hours 30 minutes. It is faster than any other available transportation methods. An experimental site in Japan reached a record of maximum ground speed of 603 km per hour. This speed is half the declared maximum speed of the Hyperloop train. It can even be used underwater. It has high carrying capacity. It guarantees low cost in design and implementation. It has low operation cost expenses also. It is immune to earthquakes, erosion, and other weather conditions, and is also very ecologically friendly. With these kind of innovation and a completely automated departure system, we can say that Hyperloop is the fastest, safest, and the most conventional form of travel in the world. These are some of the references I have used. Thank you.